Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video, we will talk about the OneUi 7 device list for the Samsung Galaxy S series. So as we know that the OneUi 7 update is one of the most anticipated update, and it was previously announced on the Samsung newsroom that it will be released on the April 7. And over here they told that it will be available starting from the S24 series and the Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and after that it will be available on the more Galaxy devices. From the Samsung newsroom Singapore, we have a device list of the S series, which include the S24 series, S24 FE, S23 series, S23 FE, S22 series, and the S21 series and S21 FE. These are the S series that are available from the Samsung Singapore newsroom. And if we talk about what's new coming up with the OneUi 7 update, so first of all the Android 15, then this now bar and many other features are expected to come with the OneUi 7 update. Also, you will get to see some smoother animations while the opening and closing of the apps, the animations and the new control panel will give your device a new fresh feel. And that's not it, you will also get to see some new app icons with the OneUi 7 update that is going to completely transform your device and your user experience. So the OneUi 7 is already delayed, and now we expect that the rollout will start on the April 7, and depending on your region it will reach your device. First of all, it will be available for the S24 series, and after that it will be available for the older flagship models as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the device list of the S series and some details regarding the release date. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.